Ever felt like diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency but got tangled up in the how-to? You're not alone. The digital currency landscape can seem like a maze, especially when you're trying to find the right platform to buy, sell, and trade. Today, we're going to cut through the confusion and shine a spotlight on a platform designed with Canadians in mind, Newton Exchange. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty of clicks and trades, let's take a step back. Why all this buzz around crypto anyway? Well, digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are more than just internet money. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about finance, offering decentralization, transparency, in most cases, and the potential for new financial applications. Whether you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio, explore new technologies, or simply understand what all the fuss is about, getting involved in the crypto space can be a game changer. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I'm intrigued, but where do I even begin? That's where cryptocurrency exchanges come in. Think of them as online marketplaces where buyers and sellers can exchange traditional fiat currencies like Canadian dollars for various cryptocurrencies, and vice versa. The key is finding an exchange that's not only user-friendly but also secure, reliable, and compliant with local regulations. And that brings us back to Newton. For Canadians looking to navigate the crypto waters, Newton has emerged as a popular choice. It boasts a sleek interface, a growing list of supported cryptocurrencies, and a focus on making the process as seamless as possible. But just like any tool, understanding how to use it effectively is crucial. So, are you ready to demystify Newton Exchange and learn how to take your first steps into the world of crypto with confidence? Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do, naturally, is to create an account. Head over to the Newton website or download their mobile app. Both offer a similar experience. You'll be prompted to sign up, which typically involves providing your email address, creating a strong password, and agreeing to their terms of service. Security is paramount in the crypto world, so make sure that password is a unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. The longer and more complex, the better. Once you've entered your initial details, Newton will likely ask you to verify your email address. Keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation link. Clicking this link will activate your account and move you to the next stage, identity verification. This might seem like an extra step, but it's a crucial one for regulatory compliance and to ensure the security of the platform and its users. You'll typically be asked to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, residential address, and potentially your social insurance number, SIN, for tax reporting purposes. You'll also likely need to upload a clear photo of a government-issued photo ID, such as your driver's license or passport. Newton uses secure methods to handle this sensitive information, so rest assured that your data is being protected. The verification process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the volume of applications they're processing. Once your identity is verified, you'll receive a notification, and you'll be ready to fund your account. Now that your account is set up and verified, the next logical step is to deposit some Canadian dollars so you can start buying crypto. Newton offers several convenient funding options. The most common methods include Interac e-transfer, which is usually quick and easy for most Canadians, and bank wire transfers for larger amounts. To deposit via Interac e-transfer, you will typically navigate to the Fund or Deposit section of your Newton account. You will be provided with specific instructions, including a recipient name and a unique reference number or security question answer. Make sure you follow these instructions precisely when initiating the e-transfer from your online banking platform. Using the correct reference number is crucial for Newton to correctly credit your account. Bank wire transfers involve obtaining Newton's banking details and initiating a transfer from your bank. This method is generally used for larger deposits and might involve slightly longer processing times compared to e-transfer. Always double-check the account details provided by Newton before initiating a wire transfer. Once your funds have been successfully deposited, you'll see your Canadian dollar balance reflected in your Newton account. Now you're ready for the exciting part, buying cryptocurrency. Newton offers a selection of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, and many others. The available coins may expand over time, so it's always a good idea to check their current offerings. To buy crypto, navigate to the trade or buy-sell section of the platform. You'll typically see a list of available cryptocurrencies and their current prices. Select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. You'll then be presented with options to place different types of orders. The most common is a market order, where you buy the cryptocurrency at the current market price. You simply enter the amount of Canadian dollars you want to spend or the amount of the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and the platform will execute the trade at the best available price at that moment. Another type of order you might encounter is a limit order. This allows you to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay for a particular cryptocurrency. Your order will only be executed if the market price reaches or falls below your specified limit. Limit orders give you more control over the price you pay but might take longer to fill or might not be filled at all if the market doesn't reach your desired price. Before confirming your purchase, always double-check the details of your order, including the cryptocurrency, the amount, and the price. Be aware of any transaction fees that Newton might charge. These fees are usually clearly displayed before you finalize the trade. Once you're satisfied with the details, confirm your order, and the purchased cryptocurrency will be added to your Newton wallet. Holding cryptocurrency on an exchange is convenient for trading, but for longer-term storage, many users prefer to move their holdings to a personal cryptocurrency wallet. This gives you more control over your private keys, which are essential for accessing your crypto. Newton allows you to withdraw your cryptocurrency to an external wallet. To do this, you'll typically navigate to the Withdraw or Send section of your account. You'll need to specify the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and the recipient address of your external wallet. Important security tip: always double-check the recipient address very carefully before initiating a withdrawal. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, and sending funds to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. It's a good practice to copy and paste the address directly from your wallet to avoid any typos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.